Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the speedup tricks on ZTE Blade A36. Alright, let's begin with developer options and a few things that we can change in them. To get access into developer options, open up your settings, scroll all the way down and click on About Phone first. Now scroll down again and in here we have our build number. We need to tap on it a few times in a row. In my case, I also need to confirm by drawing my screen lock, and now we can see that we are now a developer. Now simply go back, click on System and Update, and click on Developer Options. Now scroll down until you find options that I'm about to show you. Alright, here they are. We have Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and the Animator Duration Scale. As you take a look, all three of them are currently set on 1x, but we can adjust them. We can completely turn them off, or at least put them on 0.5. Simply don't go higher than 1x because it will only slow your device. In my case, 0.5 is like a perfect balance for me between off and 1x, so I'm about to select all of those three options on that value, just like that. Now let's scroll down a little bit more to the downside until we find the apps and the background process limit. Currently it's set on the standard, but we can select at most 3 processes or at most 4. It is up to you which value you'll pick. In my case, I will select at most 3. Alright, now we can turn off the developer options. We can exit them. Now let's scroll to the upside a little bit and let's click on the apps first. Click on See All, and here, if you have simply apps that you are not using, uninstall them because they're only taking your storage space away, and that might be the problem why your device is running slowly. But remember that some of those apps, for example these are system apps, and uninstalling them is impossible. Don't try to, for example, force stop them because something bad may happen, and simply avoid that. But let's say I would like to uninstall TikTok because I'm not using it. Simply click on that, click on uninstall, and click on OK. We also have faster way of uninstalling the apps. Simply find them on your home screen or in your app drawer, hold on the icon, and click on uninstall. But for now, let's get back into all apps, because in certain apps we have possibility to clear the cache. I think that in my case I'll have that possibility in Chrome app. Simply find storage and cache, and in here I have 30 megabytes of the cache, so I will clear it. Don't click on clear storage, click on clear cache. And don't worry, it doesn't delete any of your personal data. Cache is basically junk files that are stacked in our browser, so clearing them is completely okay. That's how we can do it. Now let's scroll back until we find the storage. We can tap on that, and in here we can see all of our stuff on the phone, how many storage space apps are taking. So it's like a suggestion for us which apps we can uninstall, or for example which videos, which images we can uninstall to get more storage space. Now from here, let's go into the cleanup. Okay, and in here we should have possibility to clean the junk files. Click on consent if it pops out. Actually, it doesn't want to find any junk files currently. But if something will appear, in your case, simply click on the clean button. In here we also have the image cleanup, video cleanup. So again, it's like a suggestion for us which things we can uninstall to get more storage space. Okay, also during day-to-day use, there's a chance that you have a lot of apps opened in the background. Simply, if you have the apps open that you're not using, close them manually because they're only taking your storage space away, and that might be the problem why your device is running slowly. And as a last thing, I'll show you how we can perform a reboot. Performing a reboot regularly, for example, once a week, is completely enough, and it's even recommended because basically during the reboot our phone rests, we can say in that way, and also the RAM gets freed up, and it might help with the performance of our phone. To reboot our device, we need to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. And now simply tap on the restart. Tap once again, now our device will be turned off, and we need to wait a few seconds until it turns on. Everything will be done automatically. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.